Once upon a time, in the vibrant heart of Jamaica, there lived a young woman named Louise. She was known across her neighborhood for her warmth and her sweet, irresistible Jamaican black fruitcake, rich with spices, soaked in rum, and filled with love. Every morning, she would set up her little stall, smiling brightly as locals and passers-by stopped to buy her treats. One sunny afternoon, as Louise was carefully arranging her cakes, a gentle voice caught her attention. Turning around, she saw Vincent, a dedicated schoolteacher with kind eyes and a gentle smile. He was new to the neighborhood, visiting to explore the community and, perhaps, find a little piece of happiness. Vincent approached her stall, drawn by the aroma of her famous fruitcake. "Good afternoon, miss," he said softly. "That looks delicious. I've heard about your baking, and I had to try some myself." Louise chuckled, her cheeks tinged with a hint of blush. "You won't be disappointed," she replied. They struck up a conversation, sharing stories about their lives. Louise about her bakery dreams, and Vincent about his passion for teaching children. Over the next few weeks, Vincent found himself returning to her stall every afternoon, eager to taste her latest creations and chat. Louise noticed his genuine kindness and patience, qualities she admired deeply. Slowly, their friendship blossomed into something more. One evening, under the golden hues of the setting sun, Vincent invited Louise for a walk along the beach. They talked about their hopes, their fears, and their dreams. Vincent reached out gently and took her hand, and in that quiet moment, their hearts synchronized. From that day, they became inseparable, Louise's sweet laughter and Vincent's gentle guidance blending into a beautiful harmony. Their love grew stronger with each passing day, built on trust, kindness, and shared dreams. Vincent supported Louise's bakery ambitions, and she inspired him with her resilience and warmth. Years later, amidst the aroma of freshly baked fruitcake and the laughter of their children, Louise and Vincent knew they had found something truly special, a love as rich and enduring as her famous black fruitcake, sweet and unforgettable. And so, in the heart of Jamaica, their love story became a timeless tale of two people finding each other against all odds, proving that sometimes the sweetest love stories are baked with patience, kindness, and a little bit of spice.